This hack is worth your time. It's so secretive that many people, many marketers don't know about it, but I do. And I'm going to share with you this hack, this tool that will help you become a better visual storyteller. Hi, I'm Shinin, 4 times LinkedIn top voice and a content creator myself, so I know a thing or two about growing your audience using content. This video is sponsored by Getty Images. If you want to be a visual storyteller, watch this video. This secret tool is called VisualGPS Insights. As a marketer, content creator, you can use it for market research, content development, and spotting trends. Also, it's a dashboard where you get to see the on-trends of the visuals that people type. So think about it, 2.5 billion searches are being made. It's a tool that showcases popular content by topic, regions, and time. You can also focus on industry and related search terms. I've been thinking about how do I use this tool to my advantage and make people stop the scroll? I think it's important to understand how to evoke emotions. That's the success, the secret to making visual storytelling more compelling. It's about the emotions, but also the keywords and triggers to help you think about how to leverage these tools as well. What keywords are you using? What colors are you using? If you're about sustainability, use green, because apparently people associate nature with sustainability and vibrancy. But another one that I thought was super cool is like sky. Why do people like blue so much? And I realized, it's because people work inside the office space, so sky evokes freedom. Go in there, have fun, use it to your advantage, be a better visual storyteller. If I were to use this tool, I'd be adding this to the key moments or B-roll within my video. And I happen to like fried chicken, on cue fried chicken. And also knowing that Christmas is around the corner, I think about the family moments that evoke the joyful moments of opening presents. And I think about joy, the Christmas, the sparkles, the laughter, the family time, the dinner time. Think of those moments as well. Go in there, go inside VisualGPS Insights. Use the link, but the link is in the comments below. VisualGPS Insights is super fun. It's easy to use. Play around with it. Let me know in the comments what keywords are you planning to think about or use, or let me know what you think of VisualGPS Insights. I'd love to know. Remember, comment below. My name is String. I'm all about marketing and hacks. Follow this video, subscribe to this video, and learn more about marketing.